Stripe vs Adyen, which is best? Hello and welcome to our channel, WebWiz. In this tutorial, I'm going to make a comparison review between Stripe and Adyen. So please watch till the end to properly understand the tutorial. So basically, Stripe and Adyen are both payment processing platforms, but they have different strength and target markets. And to create an account on Stripe and Adyen, you can use the link in the description below, in which by using the links, you may also get some discounts or rewards upon sign up. And now, to start the comparison review, let's now proceed to the overview of Stripe and Adyen. So basically, Stripe and Adyen are two known payment processors that offer merchants with a variety of features, pricing options, and availability. And today I will be comparing these two used platforms for accepting payments, which is the Stripe and Adyen. So basically, both Stripe and Adyen serve a solution for accepting payments from customers both in person. And additionally, they provide merchants with a merchant account to securely hold the funds obtained from sales transactions. Now let's start by knowing the overview of Stripe platform. So basically, Stripe is a company that helps businesses accept types of payment like credit and debit cards, in which it makes things easier for users by handling the payment process through a credit card network and a cardholder's bank, so they don't need to create a merchant account. And what's great about Stripe is that it offers a sign-up process, transparent pricing, and plenty of options to customize the service. And this makes it a fantastic choice for businesses of any size, startups. On the top of that, Stripe also provides solutions for in-person payments as well as various financial tools and automation services. Now moving on to the overview of Adyen. So basically, Adyen is a payment company as well that based in the Netherlands that offers business solutions for processing payments across platforms such as mobile and point-of-sale systems, in which they provide merchants with a range of payment options including card schemes, mobile wallets, and local methods. And also, Adyen services enable merchants to accept payments through debit cards, wire transfer, and real-time bank transfers via banking. They also connect merchants with a variety of payment methods like credit cards, local cash-based option, and mobile payments. And now that we know the overview of both platforms, we can now proceed to the features comparison of Stripe and Adyen. So in terms of the features availability, Stripe is available in 47 countries and supports 135 plus currencies. On the other hand, Adyen is available in 37 countries and supports 37 currencies as well. While in terms of merchant account features, Stripe aggregates funds into a single merchant account, that is, no application process is required, while Adyen provides individual merchant accounts for each businesses in which application process is required. While in terms of API features, Stripe is highly customizable APIs in which giving developers access to Stripe's functionality, while Adyen has a customizable APIs for a range of services, from online payments to POS solutions. Now in terms of billing features, Stripe includes billing for invoicing and recurring payments, while Adyen supports subscription billing and invoicing through its API. While in terms of security, Stripe uses Radar system to prevent fraud, certified as a PCI Service Provider Level 1. While Adyen uses Revenue Protect to prevent fraud, encryption, 3D authentication, and industry-specific risk management tools that is available in terms of security features. While the card features offers Stripe corporate card with physical and virtual cards, while Adyen offers issuing with a variety of cards for different business types. Now moving on to the pricing plan that both platforms offer. In terms of online payments, Stripe offers 2.9% plus 30 cents per transaction for most online payments, while Adyen interchange plus pricing, which varies depending on the payment method. And in terms of in-person payments, Stripe offers 2.7% plus 0.05 cents per in-person transaction, while Adyen interchange plus pricing, which varies depending on the payment method as well. While in terms of subscription billing, Stripe offers 0.5% for starter plan and 0.8% per scale plan, which custom pricing per enterprise plan, while Adyen no additional fee for subscription billing and invoicing through its API in terms of subscription billing. And also, Stripe has no minimum monthly invoice, while Adyen has a $120 minimum monthly invoice, and for additional services, Stripe varies depending on the service such as Atlas, Sigma, Radar, and many more, while Adyen varies depending on the service such as issuing, terminal, market pay, and many more. And now that we know the pricing plan of both platforms, we can now proceed to the pros and cons, starting to the Stripe pros and cons. So the pros of using Stripe is that setting up and using Stripe is quick and easy without the need for any application process. And also, most online payments have rate pricing while non-credit card payment methods have fees. And it also supports over 135 currencies and operates in 47 countries. And aside from that, Stripe provides Stripe billing for invoicing and recurring payments. With APIs and advanced developer tools, it offers flexibility to developers, and additionally, it offers a Stripe card that includes both virtual cards. While the cons of using Stripe is that the merchant account is aggregated, which means that there may be stability and control over funds, and the credit cards transactions on Stripe have fees compared to interchange plus pricing, and there are options for omnichannel and unified commerce solutions. While the Adyen pros is that it provides an individual merchant account for each business, offering stability and control over funds, and the credit card transactions on Adyen follow an interchange plus pricing model, resulting in fees with transparency, and it also supports 37 currencies across 100 countries. And also, Adyen focuses on omnichannel and unified commerce solutions to simplify revenue flows and financial management, and it also offers risk management tools to optimize revenue generation. Moreover, it provides Adyen issuing with cards for different business types. Now, moving on to the cons of using Adyen, the application process required for each business can be lengthy and complex during setup or use, and also non-card payment methods attract fees when compared to the rate pricing offered by the other methods, while the integration options with systems may be less extensive than those provided by competitors. But the question is, who should choose Stripe? Well, Stripe could be a choice for growing businesses that are tech-savvy and looking for a fast and user-friendly payment solution. And it seamlessly integrates with systems, offer transparent flat rate pricing for most online payments, and with support for over 135 currencies and operations in 47 countries. Stripe also provides Stripe billing to handle invoicing and recurring payments along with APIs and advanced developer tools. And additionally, Stripe offers a corporate card option that includes both virtual cards. But what about the Adyen? So Adyen might be more suitable for mid-sized to businesses, aiming to optimize their payment processing across various channels. And Adyen adopts an interchange plus pricing model for credit card transactions, which tends to be more transparent compared to rate pricing. Supporting 37 currencies across 100 countries, Adyen focuses on omnichannel solutions and unified commerce, simplifying revenue management. Furthermore, Adyen stands out with its risk management features, tools for revenue optimization as well as diverse card options tailored to different business types. Now, in conclusion, Stripe and Adyen are two platforms that enable businesses to accept payments from their customers, whether it's online or in person. However, they differ in terms of features, pricing, availability, security, and customer support. And depending on the type of business you have, one may be more suitable than the other. Since Stripe is well suited for growing tech businesses that require quick access to a user-friendly solution, particularly when integrating payments with another system, while Adyen is better suited for mid-sized and larger businesses looking to optimize their payment processing across all channels. Furthermore, Adyen offers risk management tools as well as revenue optimization features while providing range of cards tailored to different business types. But ultimately, deciding between Stripe and Adyen depends on your business requirements, preferences, and budgetary considerations. So that is just basically a comparison review between Stripe and Adyen. Thank you.